Hey guys, today we've got a Hyundai Santa Fe, brand new, in for the CAN Immo. Absolutely lovely car. So, the CAN Immo, this one comes with a tag, leather case and Faraday bag, emergency override card in the pack, QR code to take you to some tutorial videos and stuff. Let's just show you how it works. So, this one will actually starts and goes to ready, but if you try and select gear, locked in park, nothing at all. So what we need to do now is obviously enter the customer's demo code. So if I quickly enter the code, we get hazard flash there, and now we can select gear nice and safely. When we turn it off, it doesn't rearm until we open the door. This is a little bit more convenient than other immobilisers. So open the door, hazard flash to say that it's confirmed that it's rearmed. Service mode on this is ignition on, don't start the engine, and then all you do is you hold the last button of your code. So I'm just going to enter the code but hold the last button. So enter the code, hold the last button, so we'll get a disarm flash, and it's actually 13 seconds time. You'll get 5 flashes back. 4, 5. That is now in service mode, and to take it out it's exactly the same procedure. So put your code in, hold the last button, and in exactly 13 seconds time you'll get a flash to say it's rearmed. Perfect, that's it rearmed. Ignition off, and now when we open the door you'll see it rearm again. That's the system mode. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9026.